Hello, it is your Tech Teach Grow team back with another weekly tech tip. Today I want to talk to you about embedding a video or activity into a Pear Deck lesson. And hopefully you're familiar with Pear Deck already, but just a quick review. Pear Deck is an add-on that we have here in Google Slides, and you can add this to any slideshow that you create and make your lesson, your slides, interactive with your students. So it's a great way to engage students. They're able to answer questions directly in the Pear Deck, and you can give and get feedback from your students. So it's a great option to create a more engaging lesson. So one thing that we often like to do is put videos or other activities into our lessons. The great thing about Pear Deck is we have the opportunity to actually embed those videos or activities straight into the lesson. And why that's important is in the past, if you put in a video or a link to something, students would click that and it would take them out of the lesson, out of the Pear Deck. For older students, this isn't as big of a deal, but for younger students in particular, it's a lot harder to navigate and access the content when they're having to navigate between lots of different tabs. So having everything within one lesson, within one Pear Deck is really helpful. So I'm going to show you how to do this today. A couple notes. You do need to use the website slide type, and I will show you that here in a moment. Only secure sites and ones that are able to be embedded will work. If it's not able to be embedded, you definitely can still use it. You just have to, it'll have to be a link and students will have to leave the Pear Deck. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is a slideshow. So here is a slideshow that I started about a fraction lesson. And then I went ahead and opened my Pear Deck add-on. So if I click here, my little Pear Deck sidebar will open up. The question that we're going to be using today is the website question. So for example, if I want to put in a video from YouTube and I want to embed it here so that they can watch the video within Pear Deck and then answer questions, I'm going to use this website question. So when I click on that, I'm going to get a pop-up here where I'm going to put in the address to my site, to my video, and then I'll see a preview down here. So for example, here is a Math Antics video about fractions. Now, if I go down to share, I can get the code, the site code here. So if I hit copy and I go back to my slideshow and I put that in, paste it here, look what happened. You'll notice there's a little frowny face symbol here and it says that youtube.com refused to connect. And that's because all I did was choose the website, not the embed code. Okay, so there are some sites where you can just copy and paste the website. And if you're not sure, you can always try it like this. And if you get that little frowny face, you know it doesn't work. So what I need to do is go back to my YouTube video and I need to get the embed code. So right here, you can see the symbol and it says embed. So if I click on that, I get this really long iframe code. I don't actually need the whole code. I only actually need from between the quotes here. Okay, but there you can highlight and copy. And if for some reason I was having trouble earlier, it was highlighting the whole thing, you can always just delete it once you paste it. So again, I only need what's between the quotes. So from the HTTPS all the way to the other quote. So copy that. And then I go back to my site and I paste. Now you see for some reason it copied the entire thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all the way to those quotes. Okay. There we go. And then from here, wait. Oh, sorry about that. Let me try that again. It started to delete even further than I wanted. That's okay, it happens. All right, let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay, now see what came up? Now we can see the video right here. So as long as you can see it, then we know it's going to show up in our Pear Deck. So I'm going to update the slide and it should be adding this now to my current slide. There we go. Okay. Now, you don't see anything here, okay? But it does say students browse YouTube embed down here. So students will see it, okay? And I'll show you in a little bit what that looks like for a student, okay? But just know that even though you can't see it as the teacher, it is there, okay? Another option I wanted to show you is an activity, an interactive activity. So this is a site called PHET, P-H-E-T. It's got different interactive simulations. It's great for science and math. And I went ahead and just found a random fraction one to go along with my theme. So it's got like a little tutorial and a game here. So let's say I want to put in this interactive activity into my Pear Deck as well. So again, here's that symbol for embed. Click on that. And again, I get this big long iframe code, but I really just need what's between the quotes. So I'm going to copy that only. Hopefully this time it'll just do that part, but we'll see. That worked. Okay. And see, there's the simulation. Students will get to choose between the intro, the game, and the lab. Update the slide. All right, so again, you're not going to see it here in your slide, but it is showing what students are going to be browsing down here. And I will go ahead and transition here to show you what the student sees. All right, so I went ahead and opened this up as a student would. So as a teacher, remember you can start your Pear Deck lesson right here with this green button. When that happens, you'll be given the option to share to Google Classroom or copy a join code. So I went ahead and copied that code and then I opened it up as a student. So this is what I'm seeing as the teacher. Again, I can't see the video here as a teacher. However, students, this is what they will see. And I went ahead and did this as a student paste, but you can do this with live or student paste. It's up to you. So here is what the student sees, okay? So they see that slide there, and then they see the video that you embedded right next to it. So you actually could have maybe put some questions or maybe put some notes or anything in the slide for students to focus on while they watch the video, right? So I could have said, pay attention to this part, or make sure you know what this word means, right? I could put that in my video, or excuse me, in my slide. And then while they're watching the video, they have that right next to them, which is great. Okay, and then the next one is the PHET activity, okay? So you can see they have this option here. Now, I'm noticing a little bit of issues with the numbers here and the words. So that could be a little bit of a problem embedding that, some issues there. But, you know, if I go to click into an activity, it looks okay, except it looks like some of the fractions are a little off. So again, with any of these new activities that you're trying, I would definitely try it yourself first, like I'm doing here, just to make sure that it looks right for students, because I'm noticing now this is supposed to be a fraction and I'm seeing that the numbers are overlapping for some reason. So this just might not be a good option for embedding, but you know, check it out yourself first just in case. All right. So again, that is how you would embed into your presentation. No, you can embed YouTube videos, you can embed Ed Puzzle videos, which have the questions right in there. You can embed lots of different websites and activities. So there's a lot of great options here for students to be able to interact with your lesson right within the Pear Deck. And I hope that that has helped you, and I hope that you will try this out with your next Pear Deck.